So let's begin with the big why. Like everything else in life, you should do medical research for the right reasons. You might be familiar with the name Simon Sinek. He is the one who proposed the concept of the golden circle in his path-breaking book, Start with Why. In this book and in the now famous TED Talk, he elaborates why we should always start with a strong why, whether it is choosing a career or doing an enterprise or even doing medical research. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to give you a list of 7 common whys for which medical professionals engage in medical research, and I'm going to arrange these 7 whys in the order of significance according to my own thinking, but you can decide which one or which many of them appeals to you, and you can choose those and make it the foundation of why you would want to do medical research. The commonest reasons why medical professionals engage in medical research is because it is a requirement. Now, this could be because the post-graduation or the PhD that you are doing needs a thesis to be submitted, or for you to advance your next career level, you need to have so many number of papers published. These I call the external factors, because the moment these external conditions are fulfilled, you will completely take your mind off the research process. The second reasons why medical professionals engage in medical research is because it is well funded. And it is a very good reason to do research, because every year billions of dollars are spent for medical research, and you could easily make a career out of doing research. All you need to know is how to identify the sources and areas of these fundings and the process through which you can avail this funding as grants for your research projects. The third reason why people engage in medical research is because these days it is so easy. There used to be a time when a simple process as searching of medical literature used to take months on end, because you need to physically go to those libraries where the journals and literature are stored and go through the dusty corners of these libraries to identify even a single paper that you are interested in. Whereas these days you can gain access to these literature within a few minutes at the swipe of your finger. And there used to be a time when data was so hard to come by and the analysis of data required very sophisticated machines and tools. But these days you can gain access to quality data across the internet and analyze it right on your simple computing devices. So if you are a medical professional in the 21st century and you are not engaged in medical research, you are missing out on something really big. And the fourth reason why a lot of professionals engage in medical research, including myself, is for the sheer joy of doing it. After months of hard work, when you finally see those colorful charts and diagrams popping up on your computer screen, it's a moment of pure joy and fulfillment. As we move higher on the research reason pyramid, we reach stage 5, where you do research because you want to become an authority in your area. You can become an authority figure in your area by gaining additional qualifications, or by doing things repeatedly so that you come to be known as an expert in your area, or by contributing new knowledge to your area in an ongoing manner. At level 6 is all the success and glory that comes with doing research. It could be in the form of awards and recognitions and fellowships, or it could be just getting published in journals of good standing. A lot of people dedicate their entire life to medical research in pursuit of such success and glory. And finally, we reach reason 7, which is the highest and noblest reason why anybody pursues medical research, because it is the greatest service to humanity. If we look at the entire history of mankind, which spans to millions of years, modern medicine is hardly 200 years old, but look at what it has done. Whether it be reducing mortality or alleviating suffering, the giants who have gone before us have dedicated their entire lives to creating such knowledge and such skills that could be the greatest boon to mankind. So you could be doing medical research because it is a requirement, or because it is well funded, or because it is easy to do, or if you are like me, because it is a pure joy to do it, or because you want to become an authority figure in your area, or you are pursuing success and glory, or because it is the greatest service to humanity. So now you have these reasons. You can choose one or more from these 7 reasons and lay the foundation of your research career. I'm sure you will pick the right combination of reasons, because the strength of your why will determine how far you will go, not only in research but in any area of life.